Hello, hello. It is the Trading Captain, and I'm currently setting up $0.00. No trades for me today, and it's really because the market's been slower. I was worried to get into anything that wasn't picture perfect today, and we didn't really have anything. There was one that came kind of close, if I can just pull it up here, with MDCX for my setup. But even whenever this collapsed, it just didn't really bounce. So we're kind of seeing a repeat of ICU from yesterday. And just stocks are rolling over and having no resolution at all. AZI in particular was pretty nasty, where this thing popped up, had relatively mediocre news. The news wasn't anything too impressive, but it was clearly a dilution signal because this thing just dumped super hard afterwards. I really didn't think it would go this low. But whenever you're working with Chinese stocks, sketchy situations, this can happen. So yeah, unfortunately, just a lot of stocks are getting very beaten up. EVGN, this one popped up. It grinded slightly, but just ended up giving up after just, what, 15% of a move? These aren't really impressive moves overall. We had PHIO, which did have a nice grind, but again, keyword is grind here. This thing had millions of shares of volume. The spread was extremely thick. There was, at many times, 50,000 shares on the bid and ask, and yet it was still just grinding up. Realistically, you couldn't trade it based off of the level 2 alone. So this would have been difficult. And even if you did try to trade it, you would have been just grinding for a few pennies. So I don't know. This just didn't really seem like a great market to be trying to get aggressive or trade edge setups. So I just set it out. And even though I didn't lose any money, I feel like that's good enough in this kind of environment, especially given that I am on a losing streak. So with that said, I'm going to continue to be cautious going into tomorrow. I'm not super ambitious, but I think that's the right state of mind. Just if I see opportunity, I'll take it. But if not, then I will pass. But yeah, that pretty much wraps up my recap. If you'd like to saw here, please do leave a like. Helps me out. And I will be back tomorrow. Take care.